Welcome to today's review. If you're in the market for a high-performance blender, you've likely come across the Vitamix 5200, one of the most beloved blenders among professional chefs and home cooks alike. Today, we're going to dive into its best features, and we'll also take a look at some of the pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Let's get started. The Vitamix 5200 is a part of Vitamix's iconic line of blenders that have built a reputation for being some of the most powerful, durable, and versatile machines on the market. The 5200 is specifically designed for a wide range of kitchen tasks, from making smoothies and soups to nut butters and frozen desserts. It's a true workhorse that can handle whatever you throw at it. Key features: powerful motor. The Vitamix 5200 is powered by a 2 HP motor. This is one of the standout features of the machine. The motor's raw power allows the blender to achieve an impressive 37,000 RPMs, revolutions per minute, ensuring that whatever you're blending, whether it's tough leafy greens, frozen fruits, or fibrous vegetables, will be processed to a smooth and consistent texture. Whether you're making silky, smooth soups or finely ground nut butter, this motor ensures no chunks are left behind, and it does so quickly and efficiently. Variable speed control. Unlike many blenders that only offer preset speeds, the Vitamix 5200 comes with a variable speed dial, which allows you to adjust the speed from low to high. This feature gives you full control over the texture and consistency of your blends, allowing for everything from chunky salsas to ultra-smooth smoothies. Whether you want to pulse something quickly or create a creamy, velvety soup, the flexibility of the speed control makes the Vitamix 5200 incredibly versatile. Hardened stainless steel blades. The blades on the Vitamix 5200 are made from hardened stainless steel, making them strong enough to cut through tough ingredients with ease. The blades are designed to last, and they won't dull over time, even with heavy use. Plus, the unique blade design is engineered to create a vortex, which pulls ingredients down into the blades for optimal blending results. Large 64-ounce container. The 64-ounce container, about 1.8 liters, is perfect for blending large batches of food, making it ideal for families or those who entertain guests. Whether you're making a batch of smoothies for the whole family or preparing a big pot of soup, this generous container size ensures you can make enough for everyone in one go. Plus, the container is designed to be BPA-free, so you can feel good about using it for your family's meals. Self-cleaning function. The Vitamix 5200 is designed for convenience. After you finish blending, all you need to do is add a drop of dish soap and warm water into the container, then run the blender on high for 30 to 60 seconds. The blender will clean itself, saving you time and effort. No need for scrubbing, and no mess left behind. Built-to-last Vitamix blenders are known for their exceptional durability, and the 5200 is no exception. With a 7-year full warranty, the 5200 is designed to last many years, making it a great investment for anyone looking for a long-term kitchen appliance. Vitamix is known for building sturdy, commercial-grade machines that can withstand heavy use. The Vitamix 5200 comes with a premium price tag, typically ranging from $400 to $500. For some, this is a significant investment, and there are other blenders on the market that are more budget-friendly. If you're just looking for a blender to make the occasional smoothie, the Vitamix 5200 might feel like overkill in terms of price and power. The Vitamix 5200 is a powerhouse in the blender world, offering exceptional performance, versatility, and durability. It's perfect for anyone who needs a high-quality blender to tackle everything from smoothies to soups, sauces, nut butters, and more. While its price and size may be a consideration, the investment is well worth it for those who want a blender that will last for years and deliver consistently excellent results. If you're looking for a blender that can handle anything you throw at it, and you're willing to invest in top-tier performance, the Vitamix 5200 is a fantastic choice. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this review has helped you make an informed decision. Happy blending, like what you just watched. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for engaging articles, exclusive content, and the latest updates.